Okay, this video we're going to talk about your blog section. Pretty straightforward, so let's go ahead and go to the admin, and what we want to do is go to the post section. We can do that by clicking here or here. And right now we see we just have these 5 quick demo posts. You can obviously come in here and delete these out or re-edit them or whatever you see. The first thing I want to show you though is how many posts, basically the post count per page. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 per page, and you can change this by going to settings, reading, and right now you see I have 4 per page. If I set this to 2, it's only going to show 2 per page. If I set it to 10, it's going to be 10 per page. So that's obviously your choice in how you want to set that up. There's no wrong or right number. Okay, so let's go ahead and excuse me, let's go ahead and make a new post. Click add new. Give it a name. Let's see, hockey training. All right. Then we'll go ahead and drop in some content. And what's important is over here on the right, we can save the draft if you don't want to publish it. You can kind of view what it looks like. And the reason I say that is because unlike a page, if you make a page and you save the page, and if you remember when I went over the pages in the menu, a page is not going to show up on the site, at least not in this menu unless you add it. However, with a blog, you don't add it to the menu. Once you publish it, it's live. So if you click publish, it's there. So if you're not ready, just save the draft. That way you don't lose your information or your work. And then you can just click preview. You can kind of see what the post looks like. So that's what we have so far. Nothing exciting to this point. All right. Below that, we see categories. Make sure you choose a category. I'm gonna get rid of that one. You can delete these by going to categories over here, and you can actually delete these out. Or you can actually make a new one. So if you clicked add new category, we could do that. Click add new category. Now we have a new one. Okay. And then let's go ahead and set our featured image. If you notice, if we come here, we have this picture that's in this frame, and we set that by using featured image. I'm going to go ahead and use one we already have in the system. Let's see. Show, use as featured image. Alright, let me go ahead and publish this. Alright, let's go to the front end now. Since we have this thing published, there's our new post right here. So we have our title, our picture, our tags, excuse me, our categories that we entered, and we can click it to read it. There we go. Now what we also have is the ability to put a related post section here. So we come to this, we'll scroll down and we'll see right here related posts. And I'm basically just going to pick, a couple that I want. Add. We get 3, so add those, update, come back, refresh. And there are 3 related posts. Up to you if you want to add those or not, but it's a feature you definitely can take advantage of. Alright, next I want to show you is the blog has the capability of adding a video here. So how do we do that? Pretty easy. We come down to the post at the bottom of the post in the admin, and we'll see a section add video as a main thumbnail. And what we do is just paste in that URL for that video. So if it's on YouTube, paste it. Then we come over here. It says post type. See that? Post type. Select it to video. Excuse me. Update. Let's check. And there's our video. They can watch it from here, or they can actually come to the post. All right. Okay, I just wanted that video, if you noticed before, was blank. And what's got to be, and the only reason that I just wanted to go over that real quick. Only reason it was blank, wasn't showing anything. It was a protected video, so we put it in. It wasn't working. So of course, your videos, assuming they're not protected, you should be able to drop those in with no problem. But if you notice, before I hit play, anything came up, I had to go back in and replace the video link that was in there. So we have a new one in there. Other than that, that will do it for the blog.